Well, George Zimmerman will not take the stand in his own defense. The man accused of shooting and killing Trayvon Martin making that decision in the past 90 minutes. You're looking live inside the courtroom now where the jury has just been sent home for the day. This is now day 22 of the trial, and by this time tomorrow, the case could be in the hands of the jury. Ryan Race joins us now live outside the courtroom in Sanford. Ryan, what comes next in this trial?
Well, Brendan, the next phase of this trial is the rebuttal witnesses, and that's going a lot faster than I think we all expected. The big headline today is the defense finally resting its case. Before they did, jurors heard from a key witness in George Zimmerman's very important decision. In the defense's case that started with George Zimmerman's mother, ended with his father.
I told him, absolutely, it's my son George.
The final defense witness called to the stand may have been the quickest yet. Robert Zimmerman Sr. told the jury the now infamous screams for help came from his son.
Is that an opinion that you still have through today?
Certainly.
He joins the long list of family and friends who say they also heard Zimmerman on that 911 call. But what will George Zimmerman say about those screams? Around lunch, Judge Deborah Nelson prodded for an answer.
Have you made a decision as to whether or not you want to testify in the case?
I object to that question. I think that's Mr.
Overruled.
Defense attorney Don West repeatedly jumped in, saying his client should not have to decide yet. Once again, tensions boiled.
I object to the court inquiring of Mr. Zimmerman as to his decision about whether or not to testify.
Your objection is overruled. Mr. Zimmerman, I will give you more time, sir, to discuss this with your attorneys.
A couple hours later, he made up his mind.
After consulting with counsel, not to testify, Your Honor.
Zimmerman will not take the stand. After 19 defense witnesses in 3 days of testimony, Zimmerman's lawyers feel they have planted enough doubt in the state's claim of second-degree murder.
The defense would rest.
Thank you very much.
Now, the jury has been dismissed for the day. Here is the plan. The state will likely call one rebuttal witness first thing in the morning. Then the rest of the day will be spent with closing arguments. That means the jury will likely get this case either tomorrow night or first thing Friday morning. Now, coming up at 6 o'clock, a key moment of show and tell for the jury right before the defense rested. That's at 6. For now, live in Sanford, Ryan Raich, ABC Action News.
Thank you, Ryan.